There's a bold prediction going around right now that XRP should already be trading at $10. Not someday, not years from now, but right now. And if that sounds crazy, you're not alone. But when you actually break it down, it's not as unrealistic as it sounds. So right now, XRP is trading around $1.40. But some analysts are arguing that it's fundamentally undervalued and should be sitting closer to $10 already. That's about a 7x move from current levels. And that kind of jump would push XRP's market cap to over $600 billion, which would completely reshape the crypto market. So yeah, this is a big claim. Now for XRP to even get close to that level, a few things need to happen first. Technically, XRP is still facing resistance around the 1.50 range, and there's even heavier selling pressure between about 1.76 and 1.80. So before anyone starts talking about $10, it needs to break through those levels first. At the same time, it's holding support around 1.27, which is basically acting as the floor right now. So this is another one of those situations where price is kind of stuck waiting for a bigger move. But here's where it gets interesting. Long-term, XRP actually has a real narrative behind it. We're talking cross-border payments, institutional adoption, and potential integration with traditional finance systems. And if that adoption really kicks in, then higher price targets start to make more sense. But even then, most realistic projections for the next couple of years are more in the range of $2 to maybe $8, not necessarily 10 right away. So while the upside is there, it's not guaranteed and it's not immediate. And this is the part most people miss. When a coin like XRP already has a massive market cap, it takes a lot more money to move it. We're not talking about a small project doubling overnight. We're talking about hundreds of billions of dollars flowing in. And that's why even if XRP does well, the upside is naturally slower compared to newer projects. And this is exactly why a lot of attention right now is shifting toward early-stage crypto plays. Because instead of needing billions to move, these smaller projects can move fast. One that's been getting a lot of attention lately is Maxi Doge. And what's interesting about this one is it's leaning into that same early Dogecoin energy. Simple idea, strong community, meme-driven momentum. And we've seen how powerful that can be. Dogecoin went from basically nothing to one of the biggest coins in the world. Now, obviously, nothing is guaranteed. But that early-stage setup is what people are looking for again. Because that's where the real explosive moves tend to happen. Now, if you are looking at newer projects like this, or even just managing your crypto in general, having a solid wallet matters. A lot of people are using Best Wallet right now because it makes it really easy to buy newer tokens early, while also keeping everything secure in one place. I'll leave it linked below if you want to check it out. So when it comes to XRP, yeah, $10 is possible. But it's not happening overnight. There are levels that need to break, adoption that needs to grow, and a lot of capital that needs to come in. In the meantime, that's why you're seeing attention split between established coins like XRP and newer plays that can move a lot faster. If you want more updates like this, real, simple, no fluff, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.